Taking a look at our plans, the front, left, and right leg are both irregular in shape. We need to transfer this shape onto both of our work pieces. Now, although my work pieces are the finished thickness of 3 5/16 by the finished width of 1.5, I am still sitting at my oversized length of 24 inches. My finished length, according to my final dimension cut list, is 23 1/4, which also means that I have not yet cleaned up my ends, which are not perfect because I glued these together. Now, I have also created a template to help lay out the legs, and given that my template does not reach the end, this just tells me that I am on the right track and everything is the sizes that they should be. So to begin this layout, I am first going to square up one of the ends by taking off just a little bit, which will leave me with the maximum amount of material to work with. And I'm going to do this with both pieces. And I know my finished length needs to be 23 1/4. So I'm going to set up a stop block and make both of those cuts at 23 1/4 inches. When laying out the template, the end needs to be perfectly flush. The edge where our mortise hole location is needs to be perfectly flush. And our other end is perfectly flush. We are also sitting in the exact corner of the blank. And then we can trace that. I'm also going to trace that mortise hole location. I will verify the measurements later, but this will help me place the mortise hole to save a little time later. My other leg should be a mirror image of the first one, making sure we get everything lined up perfectly and then tracing it.